Hello, students. Welcome back to another exciting journey into the world of biology. Let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered what really makes you a living individual? After all, you are not just a collection of cells or organs. You are a beautifully integrated system functioning as one complete unit. A living individual is a distinct, self-sufficient organism capable of independent growth and reproduction. Think about yourself. Your heart, lungs, brain, and every organ work together seamlessly to keep you alive. Compare this to a car. Yes, it is assembled from many parts, but it can't sustain itself without external help. That's the difference. Living individuals are self-organizing and self-sustaining. Notice how every part of your body works in harmony. At the cellular level, each cell is a unit of structure and function. These cells combine into tissues, tissues into organs, and organs into systems, creating the unity of life. For example, your digestive system works with your respiratory and circulatory systems. The food you eat is broken down into nutrients, your lungs bring in oxygen, and your blood distributes both nutrients and oxygen to every cell. Isn't it amazing how each level is linked to the next? Unlike machines that wear down and require external repair, living individuals grow, repair themselves, and maintain their own systems. This unity of structure and function is a hallmark of life. Another fascinating feature of a living individual is the ability to maintain internal balance no matter what happens outside. This is called homeostasis. For example, on a hot summer day, your body temperature begins to rise. Almost instantly, you start sweating, and as the sweat evaporates, your body cools down. Or, when you feel thirsty, that's your body signaling you to restore its water balance. Non-living systems can't do this. A thermometer may show temperature changes, but it cannot regulate itself. Only living individuals can actively maintain stability to survive in changing conditions. That's the beauty of life's self-regulation. Have you ever thought about how every living being is unique, yet still belongs to its species? That uniqueness comes from reproduction. Living individuals reproduce to ensure continuity of life. Plants produce seeds, animals reproduce sexually, and even bacteria divide asexually. Each offspring, however, becomes a new individual. Take twins, for example. They may look identical, yet each twin has a distinct personality, metabolism, and life journey. Sexual reproduction ensures genetic variation, while asexual reproduction still creates new, separate individuals. So, reproduction is not just about continuity, it is about individuality. Every living individual follows a life cycle: birth, growth, maturity, aging, and death. Growth occurs through cell division and tissue formation. A small sapling becomes a tall tree. A baby grows into an adult. Development then shapes function, organs mature, systems become fully functional. But over time, the efficiency of systems declines. This is aging, a natural part of individuality. Finally, death marks the conclusion of an individual's journey. Isn't it fascinating that every living being, no matter how small or large, follows this same cycle of existence? Let's take humans as a case study to understand the highest level of system integration. Your nervous system and endocrine system act as master regulators, coordinating all other organ systems. For instance, after a meal, when your blood sugar rises, your pancreas releases insulin. This hormone lowers the sugar level by helping cells absorb glucose. That's the perfect example of whole-body regulation. But what happens if this integration fails? If the pancreas cannot produce insulin, blood sugar levels remain high, leading to diabetes. This shows how the breakdown of one system can disrupt the entire individuality of a living organism. Living individuals survive because of this continuous, precise coordination. So, let's bring everything together. A living individual is not just a cluster of cells, but a complete, self-sufficient unit of life. It maintains unity of structure and function, regulates itself through homeostasis, reproduces to carry life forward, grows and develops through its life cycle, and integrates countless systems for survival. Think about this, you yourself are the best example of a living individual. Right now, as you listen, your heart is beating, your lungs are breathing, and your brain is processing millions of signals, all without you consciously controlling them. Isn't it incredible? Biology truly is the science of life, and every living individual is a miracle of organization, regulation, and continuity. Until our next session, keep exploring and appreciating the living world around you. It is full of wonders waiting to be discovered.